Becoming a Premier Integrator with Inductive Automation means reaching the highest level of integrator certification within the Inductive Automation Integrator program. It signifies that an integrator has consistently produced the highest quality of work, reached an impressive number of Ignition sales, and is actively participating in the Ignition community. Premier Integrators have demonstrated their incredible competency using the Ignition software and shown a deep commitment to their customers. And in return, we provide them with access to Premier level perks through Inductive Automation. One of the perks includes the advanced digital workshop series called Coffee with Kevin and Tea with Travis. Through this series, Premier Integrators get exclusive monthly updates on new releases, training, and demos, and they get to ask us questions. Premier Integrators get prime real estate listings on Inductive Automation's Integrator search page, increasing the likelihood that customers will want their services. As a company, we also celebrate integrators who reach Premier status by highlighting them and their achievement on our blog, through social media, and in our newsfeed. Another perk includes personalized co-marketing opportunities with Inductive Automation, including webinars, trade shows, speaking at events, and more. All of this is an effort to help integrators grow their business and presence within the Ignition community. But one of the greatest perks is that the Premier Integrators are given a chance to compete in our world-renowned Inductive Automation Build-A-thon competition at our Ignition Community Conference. Participating in this event is an excellent way for integrators to showcase their exceptional Ignition skills in front of a global audience. The Premier status truly is the elite level for our integrators. They have proven their technical expertise and incredible commitment to supporting customers, have had success driving Ignition projects, and maintain a valuable partnership with us here at Inductive Automation.